Hi all, Steve here from Advanced English with Steve UK. Right, are you up to doing an idioms and phrasal verb quiz? Well, you know how important they are if you're studying for C1, or even if you've got C1, they're important for C2, and it's easy to forget many of them. Okay, not sure how difficult you'll find these. Some of them are quite unusual. I think the idioms are probably harder than the phrasal verbs, but let's see. I'll be producing more of these, so do remember to subscribe and leave any comments. And of course a like. Okay, are you ready? We'll start with idioms first. Here goes. To throw in the towel means get out of the shower, help someone who's soaking, give up or surrender, dry the dishes by hand. To throw in the towel means to give up or surrender. The origin is from boxing. When a boxer wishes to concede defeat, his manager throws a towel into the ring. Break the ice means shatter fragile glassware, come indoors to warm up, initiate a conversation, achieve a major breakthrough. Break the ice means to initiate a conversation. When you have just met someone and you start a conversation, you break the ice. An icebreaker activity is often used in business and teaching situations. To bite off more than you can chew means to get severe indigestion, find it hard to express meaning, consider more options first, start something that's too hard. To bite off more than you can chew means to start something that's too hard. When you start a task, a project, and find it much more difficult than you anticipated, you've bitten off more than you can chew. I'm chuffed means I'm breathless, I'm frustrated, I'm delighted, I'm too warm. I'm chuffed means I'm delighted. This funny sounding word is often heard. It's used when really thrilled about something, often with to bits added on. I'm chuffed to bits that I passed the exam. I don't know what to do. I feel between the devil and the hot red flames, pure white angel, soft green grass, deep blue sea. Deep blue sea. I don't know what to do. I feel between the devil and the deep blue sea. So how are you doing so far? Okay? Not so sure? Okay, let's go on with phrasal verbs. Here goes. The police are trying to track the suspect in the murder case. Track up, track down, track out, track over. The police are trying to track down the suspect in the murder case. To track down. I need to scrape some extra cash for the weekend. Scrape in, scrape out, scrape up, scrape off. I need to scrape up some extra cash for the weekend. To scrape up. To find. The teacher out Amanda to recite the poem. Picked out, selected out, pulled out, chose out. The teacher picked out Amanda to recite the poem. To pick out. He drank too much and up on the way home. Choked up, tossed up, threw up, screwed up. He drank too much and threw up on the way home. It means to vomit, to be sick. She couldn't stop talking. She was carried with excitement. Carried over, carried out, carried above, carried away. She couldn't stop talking. She was carried away with excitement. To be carried away. By the way, if you really want to learn lexical chunks, phrasal verbs, idioms, collocations, and fixed expressions to speak more like a native speaker, to sound natural, then you really should come along and join us in our Chatterbox Zoom workshops. They're very rewarding. They're great fun. There's a great crowd of people there. We have them 3 times a week, and I promise you, you will learn a lot. I think they're one of the best things which I've ever done in my teaching career. They're so productive. So why not have a look and subscribe? Come and try them out. Be great to see you there. Bye for now. Be seeing you.